Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking, and in this video today, we are going to look at View Feature number 3, Show Ruler, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. So, when a Google Doc is created, under View, Show Ruler is the default state. If I click on Show Ruler, it removes the ruler. Let's make that ruler appear again. So, what the ruler can do is provide a way for you to create special sections in your document automatically. When I right-click on the ruler, I can click Add Left Tab Stop, Add Center Tab Stop, or Add Right Tab Stop. So if I click on Add Center Tab Stop, and then I click Tab, it automatically goes to that section I selected. I could even move to another line in the document and click Tab again, and it would still move to that location. So this can be an efficient way to edit one's document. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.